Jamaican jerk chicken is iconic, and it's definitely one of the most consumed dishes for both locals and tourists on the island. Today, I take you to the biggest producing jerk center in Port Antonio, serving up over 1,000 pounds of the smoky, spicy gem. And shout out to our patrons for making this around the coast street food tour possible.
The juices and best chicken of Portland.
Yo, yeah, flip a whole heap of chicken, you know.
Yeah.
There's a whole heap of chicken a flip, you know.
Right through the day. Until 11 o'clock tonight. Same thing. Yeah.
So, about how much chicken do you normally go through?
Well, we can't tell you that.
How much bag of chicken then?
Sometimes I 15.
15 bag?
Right through the day, right till 11 o'clock tonight.
Wow.
When the place are locked.
Those are flip chicken.
Yeah. Straight. Original juicy itself.
So you them call Josie?
Yeah man, I'm a juicy chicken of Portland and the best chicken.
I like that. So what you do for get the juiciest chicken? What your technique personally?
Yeah.
Or as a secret?
No, that can't talk.
Can't talk.
No. Can't talk. We use this grill that we have done them pan and finish them pan this one. Smaller fire. These are the finishing fire. Finish them up. So them pretty pan the grill.
So Josie, how much years of experience you run with them now?
6 years.
6 years? Wow. Me never know there's so much chicken in a day with back here.
Yeah man. Them are when I take off finish up now. And them are ready to sell. Where we use cool on the fire.
Use and cool on the fire.
Yeah.
So fire control very important.
Right.
Vibes. I find that I like the vibe they say when you have the bigger smoker over there, so
Yeah.
we do the main cooking and the smaller one to finish.
Yeah, it's like the finishing pan.
The first place I ever said that.
Alright.
When I say I only think that other people do that too.
Yeah man. Original real tourist style of jerk in that. Half jerk the chicken them pan this big grill.
So So Josie, you born in Portland originally?
Right in Portland.
Alright,
Born
so
Portland.
that means you're supposed to know about pork, cause Portland away jerk come from really, yeah?
Yeah.
Vibes. Alright.
If I jerk pork are the same to the same.
Same principle.
Yeah.
But here it's primarily chicken and I deal with.
Right.
I find that funny because the place named Piggy's.
Yeah.
But at the boss name so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting.
But if I pork for jerk, you can't do the
You
same.
can do it same way.
Yeah.
Alright, so as a man who experienced with jerk, Zane,
Yeah.
what make Puna jerk chicken different? Apart from it being juicy.
Yeah.
What you that say?
Well, you can't tell the secret.
No, not how you make it, you know, but
Yeah.
like the flavor wise them. Not how you
Flavor.
make it.
You
Like
get
it's more
that.
spicy or you know, as
More spicy, seasoned spice.
spice.
Yeah. Different spice.
So,
Different spice.
so you season right through to the bone.
Right.
Well, I'm gonna try it today for sure.
Yeah. Right to the bone. All the bone you can chow up and eat. This grill when you use it, don't forget to right put all the chicken there. Finish it. So the chicken then juicy and pretty.
It must juicy because you name juicy.
Yeah.
Alright, so I travel around Jamaica quite often. But my process a whole heap of time. How long you guys have been open for?
About 18 years.
18?
More.
Started
In
18.
the 90s.
In the 90s.
My 30 something years.
Cool. So, is there a particular reason why you choose to just jerk mainly chicken? Is there a reason for that?
Because, well, to my belief, when we get to understand, say the boss say, to the place set up, he don't want to do the mix. So he just want to have chicken only.
Oh, so you know what? Because some people don't really eat pork.
Yeah, so he don't want to do a mix. He just want to
Rate that still. Respect that.
and then mix it.
Okay, so
That's
that's
why, you know.
cool. Nice. So tell me about the festival then, because I know festival is a big thing still. I want to do the festival then.
Festival is a thing where made of sugar,
Me small cup.
caramel and more things, you know. And you have to catch a festival on a different level. Because if you catch it right,
Too
Alright.
tough, too oily.
yeah, so you have to get on a real level for the festival.
Alright, tell me about the soup.
Yeah, it's beef and chicken cook, you know.
So beef and chicken pot soup.
Yeah.
How early at the start to make this a soup and ready for by lunchtime?
Well, roughly about anytime after 8, because we come around 8 o'clock, you know.
8 o'clock?
Yeah, so anytime after 8.
Yeah. Alright, Juicy, as a man who deal the fire, how much bag of coal now you use? Because a whole heap of chicken in a jerk, you know.
With the day we will about 2 bags of
2 bags?
coal. With the day.
Oh, so not really make the coal and burn too hot. Slow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes like weekend, like Friday, Saturday we use 2 bags of coal, but during the week we use 1.
Yeah, that mean go say no. So you know find say on the weekends business is a lot better.
Right. More faster.
More faster for
Yeah.
me. Cool. Because I think I did pass through here on a Sunday and it was closed.
No, we don't work for Sunday.
Okay.
One day we get to rest on a
One-
Sunday. Yeah. Really good.
Otherwise
From
back at it again.
Yeah. From Monday to Saturday.
Yeah.
From 8 till 11. 8 till 9 morning to 11 till 9 night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, so a question I always want to ask people is, when I see people in the fast food industry and them sell food, I always ask them if them get tired of the food after a while. For you with jerk chicken, does it get tired of it or no?
Well, me know what jerky. Sometimes I know every day me eat fried chicken because I told me around the chicken every day.
You get accustomed to it.
Right.
That makes sense. That job. So how you know when at times you flip it again? Just go off of what you feel.
Every 5 minutes you turn the chicken. Every 5 minutes.
That job. So if you have to take a break, somebody else can manage the fire? Or
Yeah,
just,
but depend. But if I want to take a break, then I want to take 5 minutes to cool the fire right down. So that means that you can't burn up the chicken.
you don't trust nobody with the chicken,
No.
and that we realize, you know. Alright, tell about the festival, cause honestly, I first never see so much festival in my life. Bucket loads.
This festival now make now.
They say this little bit in comparison.
Yeah man, before Corona, 10 bucket for the day. Man.
10 bucket for the day?
Yeah man, the man there is up for the day. He can't move until the night come down. Look at road festival street.
Yo, just from looking at the festival, me know say it's a pretty well done festival.
Yeah. Okay, no?
So when you come from 8 o'clock in the morning, Zane,
Yeah.
or from them the time when you start need the festival or
Yeah, them time there.
wow.
Road festival straight it ready for the perk, you know?
So I realize that Josie a float around in the kitchen, you know. If him hear soup ready, him can deal with it same time. So no work as a team basically.
Oh.
Zane. So you make a good note saying that COVID time kind of slow up things. You realize that you're getting better and better now by month by month.
Yeah, it's not too bad, you know. This time I pick up back. That's what I say. Still not come back to normal, you know. Still at work with it. There was time before COVID, so the line alone. That's not right down the road or something.
Eh?
Yeah, I tell you.
No, trust me, I believe you say because just being in the kitchen here, I realize that out of a lot of the jerk man them and you know, that type of setup, you have a more like commercial type of settings.
Yeah.
I realize you cause a bucket, a festival, brother, as a whole heap of festival. Like.
Yeah, buckets.
So, so no, even though things slow down, how much buckets you say that go through on a weekday?
6, 7, see me.
7 buckets.
Yeah.
And on a weekend?
Yeah. I'm going to just pack up. I'm going to pack them up. I'm going to pack up and set. Yeah, prepare people, you know? Yeah, you can't wait for them. And you see, yeah, most people have like, you know, still the way behind right now.
Yeah, cause when I first entered the kitchen, I saw the pan full.
Right.
And now the pan empty. So you're behind time, people.
Yeah,
Them.
behind time right now. There's more from me already.
Jaja.
That's it. You have to have a whole pack family right now.
So would you say at this moment in time you master your craft or you feel like you still learn every day in terms of the business?
You can't stop learning now.
I love the answer there still.
Yeah, you can't stop learning. Every day you learn something new in the kitchen, you know?
I love the answer there.
Yeah man, every day, as what I tell you, say, me come like that and every day I still learn seal, I still have to teach people seal, you know?
Same way.
Yes, I just say it one more time.
That is forward to my next question. If somebody decides to come here and want to work in the kitchen, like how long of a training process? Like how long you think it take before them grasp it?
Well, it comes for a week, you know.
Up to a week.
Come to a week because if you have an experience, not harder than them, and you know, so boy, you have to just learn the food experience. Because everywhere different.
True that.
You know? Yeah. Everywhere is a different experience, you understand?
True.
So here you is a chef or whatever. When you come to this, you have a different experience. After kitchen this, and you notice a 2 jerk under this, you know, so they eat the normal nice.
Yeah.
And as I tell you, say, it's a cooling, a cool now. When it really a go, you know, pretty in this, you can't stop this.
I love say you mentioned that say because a lot of people watch the videos them and eat food but then they realize that the kitchen hot. But how much water they say they go through or beer or whatever birdie while in the kitchen? Olive?
So my time we sell for take ourselves more time.
Come on to the kitchen.
Go to start it now, chop it.
Right now?
Right now, we're going to chop it. Let me try to tell you. When this a lick shot, man, show me now.
Gotcha.
Let's say the jerk and I'm free for a jerk.
This is the most jerk chicken or festival me ever see being turned out in my life.
Yeah.
I have a big man, sure.
So you have to pay for that now? So you not pay for
Yeah, my respect.
Respect.
Yeah.
Lady.
Thank you.
She your best dress with it.
So you use best dress.
Yeah, the local chicken.
You find that you get a better quality from best dress.
Best dress is that more softer chicken.
Softer.
Easier to jerk and more quality chicken.
Okay.
Yeah, so next chicken them tougher. Harder to jerk. You know, find them so juicy and all those things, you know?
I'm gonna find say them probably could even supply you consistently either.
Not so easy.
Yeah, it's hard to supply so much chicken, brother. Cause you say about 50 birds in a one bag. Oh my god. And you go through how much bag? 15?
More, so my time. I'm taking a focus on everything.
That's yeah, I know. But I realize say you are the money in the kitchen in terms of you seem like you're calm, cool and collected. You ever meet a situation in the kitchen where something just done and people just want things and you say, oh John, what you gonna do? Have you ever reached it? Or you always prepared?
Well, in every kitchen you always find difficulty in every kitchen. Curious kid. Difficulty most in the kitchen.
Straight.
Curious kid because we're there right now and we prepare to say 300 somebody. And you check us like 500 somebody. What you do?
Yeah.
I remember in the level preparation we're out there. We know every week. Basically every week you know so you have to prepare for 1,000 person.
True.
And you find that this week you get 2,000. What you do? I just work your system.
Make me talk about the spices and the seasoning them. When I get that from like the market or no, farmers or drop off stuff,
Buy them from the market.
buy them from the market. And you find that you get good quality stuff on the market.
Yeah, so far, you know.
Cool.
Cost a lot, you know. Work with it.
You have to get the best quality. So as a large supplier like you guys, you find so you can get like a bit of a discount when you go shopping? No?
Not chop.
No brata?
No brata, not chop.
Wow.
That's why in terms of a chicken standard now, when we see normally we would have put a quarter, just a quarter. Because the same thing we get out the road now, we can't afford to do that, you know. So when I want coming just with a quarter, that should be just a quarter of chicken. Wow.
I just give me up there to a jerk chicken. So, right, like big lemon.
I think what some people who buy food don't really understand is that if the chicken them here so weigh about 3 pounds, yeah?
Yeah.
And you cut in a quarters. Then
Divide that.
divide that. If a man a flip a chicken about 10-15 times a day, how much pound that he move?
That. How much mileage we have to do for the day, you know?
Whole heap.
Whole heap of mileage in the kitchen for the day. And we have to back and forth, whole heap of mileage. But town you are going to reach 10 times.
Mm.
Yeah, man, we have some mileage, man. Every day something, you know.
So, you guys ever thought about, you mentioned town a while ago, ever thought of expanding towards Kingston?
Yeah, you have people where come here from Kingston, come here to go to church.
Yeah.
Yeah. This thing here, you know. If I about James Bond.
James Bond?
Yeah. This is also in James Bond, you know. This building here, you know.
This building?
Whole thing.
Wow. Which one of the film was that? You remember your name?
No, I don't really remember the name. If you look back in this thing here, when it is burned down. Like it burned down, you know. But this is burned down, you know.
Yeah.
And then, you know.
Oh, so this building was burnt down? Yeah, because I remember a couple of the films I think were shot by like Firefly in Portland, so chances are, so them come here and eat food and them thing there are just...
Yeah man, you answer man.
Gotcha.
All over the world come and some man. Every day. We just study alone every single day.
And you mentioned nowadays so on the Sunday when you close, the day off, no, you know, come and need no flour, no nothing.
No.
Okay.
So what, you know?
So I may ask you a question now. I don't know, say, Jamaican man, we call ourselves Chacha boy, don't?
Yeah.
Out in the streets.
Yeah.
How you manage, like, family life and working so much?
Right now we don't have to make up your mind to do certain things in life you want, you know. And everybody have to just understand the levels of things, you know?
True that.
So anything we work towards, everybody have to just understand, say, you have to work towards the plan there for 10, 20 years. You just work towards something.
Straight.
You know, say, as soon as you work towards certain things, you just tell yourself, say, yeah, like that. So like I said, because suppose you speak in a foreign, you know, tell yourself, say, you work 10 years foreign, or 5 years foreign. And then you know, say, you work 10 years, 5 years, you come back in your yard.
Straight.
So you come back in your yard in the same way, basically. You know, say, I work, you know, say, alright, to tell yourself, say, alright, you know, I work now this 5 years, or 6 years. If you live out, then you cut. So the business said, that everybody don't know, say, no man not work. Say work speaking, say work I want to straight. So you must have work with something. So if you go there work for, I just see I hear him out there. You have to work, you know, so you get the aim. You do what you have to do.
Put in the work.
Yeah, so you just put in the work. So as long as you family, everybody has to understand that.
True.
I just know, say, that's the thing though. Yeah, I'm better. I don't make the sense you know, looking up. Not now, man. I'm not trying to punish them.
Can't be hot in the streets or no money in your pocket.
No time.
You know, Ronnie? We never catch you, you know. We never catch you.
I'm
I'm going to win, you know. I live in the right now.
So, wanna actually do like catering too?
Yeah, man, everything, man. All purpose of the team, man. You can call and say, you know, so you need a 1,000 chicken prepared by so at the time.
So on a day when you have a 500 quarter or 1,000 quarter sell, the day work lockdown?
No, man, still people come see me, supply them. We can't do that, and we can't have customers them. We have to work here, sing same way, cut down.
Work never stop.
Work never stop at some man.
See you, man. See you, man. I'm at the season. I have to interview with you.
Eh? Kali?
Yeah.
So you're the man that deal with the seasoning?
Yeah man, I develop all I seasoning thing them, you know, that's it.
I know, so you basically want a fundamental.
Yeah man, I make dice the chicken them, me season them up and all them stuff, you understand?
Okay. And the man him just finish it off at the end.
Yeah man, but I me do the part I work there.
Seasoning part.
Yeah, cut them up, clean them up, season them up.
You season it right, man, cause from me there, now, brother. Our vibes.
I'm doing the thing right, you know, for two people, you know?
You see, the festival them nice today.
We eat one more. Nice one.
What's up?
Eating them pretty and juicy. That's why they call them juicy.
You think you deserve your name, I know, for real. You deserve it. For me, I look on the chicken, then you know.
I want to know. I want to know. I want to know.
What that?
Want a woman to me thing, a nice woman to me thing. Want a nice
Say it
woman.
again with your chest. You say you want a nice woman.
Want a nice woman to me thing and swear me a deal it.
Yeah.
And love me up.
Yeah.
That means that I can have a woman in my life.
Ah.
And he's a single man. Yeah.
I deal with chicken them for them same way.
All
Juicy.
right. Yes, man. And
Yes,
cook
sir.
the nicest food for them. Yeah. Give them the sweetest loving.
Alright, put out your resume. Apart from jerk chicken, what else you would have cooked for the woman right now? Make them know.
Nice steamed fish. Nice two pork. Good rice and peas. Sweet rice and peas. Whole heap of nice vegetable. All kind of different stuff. Yeah. Yeah, man. Don't go walk them and see me thing.
Yes, sir.
Remember, them want a nice man in my life.
Drop it in the comments, guys. If you don't want to reach, you want to drop your number so you can reach out to you.
Yeah, man.
Do it.
Number 8315192.
Alright.
Josie.
Juicy.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's finish with the sell.
So leg and tie one bucket, breast and wing on the next.
Right. So then half done. So that means that when the roast come down later, you understand me?
Oh, so
Half
you
them.
go start stack up
Yeah.
before the rush come later on.
Right. So that means that now I prepare for the roast later.
So, but what time you say would that be the rush time? So somebody want to come here, so why best time for you getting at the rush?
The roast time I call is about 6:37.
6:37.
Yeah. Anytime you know enough people at home. People at home now I hold up them chicken.
Yeah.
That means that if 1:30 or 1:40 somebody come here chicken ready for them. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man, that's how the thing set, man. If me not do that, me in a problem. We don't lock off the fire, we just turn it down, put it, the festival pan over the pot. That means that the festival then keep warm, so they're not cold. Because when they're cold, that's not good. We just keep them warm. Like this, so then keep warm. Chicken them in the bucket. When they're in the bucket, then absorb the sweat and water, so then get cold. So when time they get that, now we throw them out back on the grill, on the small fire, warm them up. So that means that the people then get the chicken hot at all time. So these chicken now we have to take off now finish. And we're ready to sell. Take them off, put it in the bucket. And they're ready to sell, ready to it, well jerk. Well, I well grown and pretty, juicy. That's why I'm getting the name juicy. So the transfer again from the big grill. transfer again now from the big will put over the small fire and get the clear now. Professional jerking juice to get.
Out of all the jobs they ever do,
Yeah.
you'd have said this is one of your favorite ones, them working with food,
Yes,
jerking chicken.
exactly.
What I say about to give you the joy? What make you happy when you do it?
Well, so many know the thing, it just feel nice and enjoyable.
Because you know, so you know you do.
Yeah, you know what I do.
Yeah.
Jerk pork same way. Can't jerk the pork same way. Yeah. Because the same seasoning, when we use pan, the same seasoning, can't deal with the pork same way, the jerk pork.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't stop till it's still 11 o'clock tonight. I'm going to leave work 11, work from 8 in the morning till 11 at the night.
That's another bag you just throw on a while ago.
Yeah, my bag when we take out already. So the last site this now. So as soon as them here come up, one more bag right away on the grill. Holding that fire and fire again. Brighter, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably chicken them from the grill, man. Really international style, you know? Yeah, what? Professional style, you know? Juicy, I give them in a road, you know? Yeah, man.
International.
Yeah, man. People see me thing that I love me thing, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Taste juicy style of the festival.
Well juicy,
Yes, man.
soft,
Yeah, man.
cook right through.
Well, Joe.
Brother,
Yeah, man.
big bad. And big up Colin to for the seasoning, because his seasoning never.
Yes, man.
Oh man.
Well spicy, juicy.
What?
Yeah, man.
And the smoke flavor upon it,
Alright.
amazing.
Yeah, man. And this style of juicy sell a road, man.
You deal with it.
Yeah, man.
So one more bag again.
There is a raw chicken on the front wheel again.
So Juicy, you're saying that you will cook some chickens halfway through, so when you reach in the night for the rush,
Right.
you finish it off.
Yes, yes. So that means when
Smart.
When the rush come down, then I have no problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Look. Fix up the fire, bright up the fire and throw them back on the grill and finish. Done. Good.
So I've been back there in the kitchen for quite a while, and I was withholding trying the food too early, but they made me try a festival and try a piece of the jerk chicken, and hands down is one of the best jerk chickens I've ever had. When the man said juicy, I was laughing to myself. I was like, come on. But really, the chicken really juicy. And what is to note, you don't need to douse your chicken with ketchup. You don't need to douse your chicken with sauce just by itself. It is just well seasoned, it's super flavorful, and imagine I'm back there smelling all these aromas for so long, you'd expect that my taste buds would be a lot more dull. The flavors are just so pronounced, it's amazing. So I'm gonna order something right now. And the festivals are exceptional. It's one of my favorite style of festival. It's not too sweet, not too soft, not too dense. Nice, light, crispy. Anyway, ready for order. So I just got my plate a while ago. Hot, right off of the grill. Oh my god. So I did mention you don't need ketchup, but I did put a little bit on this one because I really want to try it with this jerk sauce. When you come to Jamaica and you see jerk sauce, don't overdo it. Try it first and make sure you can manage the spice. This chicken, no short of seasoning, hot with flavor. This is even better than the little taste up we get before. So good. And I like the jerk sauce. It's spicy, but it's not blindingly spicy. It's not like bitter. It's a nice, savory, spicy feel that you get from it. Bro, this is not a pan chicken. This is a jerk chicken. You feel what I'm saying? All the time you see people on the roadside, most of the time it's a pan chicken. This is a jerk chicken. It tastes the jerk flavors true and true. This is a delight to try. I'm really happy that I stopped here. Wow, nice dollop of that jerk sauce. Alright, the jerk sauce would taste like it's a jerk season itself, but a little more saucy. It's not like super spicy, it's mostly like seasoning. And the festival, it's like a magic trick for your mouth, yo. This is just amazing. There's a Jamaican trying jerk chicken all over. Jerk is so common, but the flavors in this one is not common at all. This one of the baddest one out there. Portland. So far, this is probably the best jerk chicken I've had in Portland, for sure, hands down. Probably overall. Jaja. Season. It seasons through the blood. Like I said, you don't need the ketchup, but it does add a little sweetness in comparison to the spice. But you don't need it, bro. Juicy going out, yo. Big up Juicy. Big up Colin. Big up the whole team. Big up Piggies. Mighty God. Good sweet. This a bucket number how much now? PD, how much, which bucket is? 2?
2 this.
Number 2. So this a chicken for a couple days from now, yeah?
Yeah, man. 10 bag, I think. So them are going to serve for 3 days or 2 days.
10 bag of chicken?
Around, if it's 3 days good.
Oh.
You understand? Because plus what they in there, I add what they in there with this. You understand what I say?
Straight.
Yeah. But everything what they in there, I must sell off tonight. You understand?
So machete are they cutting
Yeah.
Medium or choice, better than regular.
To me, you know?
Cut it faster.
Yeah,
No, you can't use knife still, you know, but the knife now.
you feel comfortable using the machine, you understand?
Yeah,
Sure.
I understand. Knife I like when you do, you know, like, you understand?
Oh, for clean out the...
Yeah. I clean off them, you know? Yeah.
Sure.
That's it. That's all.
So how long you are working, sir?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good years no there, man. We cannot call. I don't really have to check on that, you understand?
That's how it work.
Yeah,
It
but
does.
a couple of years well, you know?
Straight.
Yeah, man, a couple of years well.
Oh, so you throw them other part if you do the tying out.
No, the season up.
No, you know.
Oh, that's how I season up.
Yeah,
That's the top secret part where me can't see.
Yeah.
Completely understand that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you never see no fast food restaurant to give you the recipe.
No. I understand, huh?
Sure do.
Yeah.
You know, long time the general teach me to do this.
Yeah.
So I just have to keep up with it, you know, and try to make it develop more. Because that's a development we are dealing with, you know, brother.
Right.
Can't
So,
go back up on nothing, you see me I say?
so who teach you to do this?
General Piggy, man.
Oh, so them teach you to season up the chicken, eh, man. So.
Yeah, man, I teach me everything what you see me I do, you see me. Because I just come as a little group like anybody else. You know, see me?
And show the way
Yeah,
how to
and
do
say,
it.
alright, general, I go to know what to do, you see me? You see me? Because I bother you, I want you to handle for me, you see it?
Understand.
I himself, he was all with everything.
So I
Like,
just take it up and note.
boss himself, he
So right now, I mean,
yeah, man, you're good to go.
I mean deal with all the season them, and I mean like grind up the piment, I grind up the skelly and thyme our item them what we use, you understand?
Yeah.
Many different items. Because we have to get the thing right. We cook out the good product. You see me I say?
Nah, I go lie, brother. I tell you already, say. I mean, I just say it for video.
Thing, brother.
It's season
We are doing it as a
proper.
business, you know that. Yeah, we are do it as a business, brother. We not do it as a just a little Jamaican thing, brother. We are do it as an original business, you know, brother. We can process anywhere in the area we are there.
You know, chicken have to have one season pan the cause chicken raw, so you know, say season a proper walk up on the.
Straight.
You see it?
Any jerk, I forgot and salt and pepper.
Typical.
Typical, yeah?
You don't know.
And only do the season for no special way on top of that, you know?
Different way how you want, if you had the thing to get it, like how you really want it. You see me I say?
Straight.
The spice, that's
Put you out to the public,
you know?
that the public can accept it for you. Say, yeah, that's
That's why I
great, you
come
see
tell
it?
you, that's why I come and tell you, you know that meat raw, so that's a real deal with the real way of it. You know?
Make sure say it eat good.
Yeah.
I realize it's like a proper operation for real because you see me, one person in charge of the jerking part mainly, one person cutting up mainly, one person seasoning up mainly, one person selling mainly. But when you can jump around and help each other at the same time.
That's the way it goes.
But you have a specialized skill.
Yeah, specialized. Yeah.
This
That's
a
when it comes to the
full,
season, me really season up the chicken.
No, I realize that
Yeah,
one.
me make the season.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And then you see, say, I do the part at I mean, dice them up like how they dice. Guys, that's special way how them dice, you know, and I just cut up chicken, you know, how me I come here, and them say me I go cut up chicken, me I say, I feel like a regular cutting up warm chicken, you know. You understand? Yeah.
You realize that the piggy's way.
Yeah, the pig is weird. You see me I say? So you have to get it the way there. Yeah. Because if you don't know how to do it, you know, brother, when it jerk, it not soak, it not.
Soak through the right way.
Soak through the right way, so you have to know the cut and what to put on it to really have it like that where you can
I notice
get
cause
the jerk from it. Go
me's
on
a
it,
man, I don't normally like eat chicken breast, but from a look on the chicken breast after it
man.
grill,
Yeah, man.
tender
Yeah,
like me, I say,
yeah,
yo,
man.
that chicken breast there,
Yeah, man.
you know, trashy and dry out like a lot of them, I say.
And we jerk at them already done in a brother, so we jerk at them already done in it too, you know, so you don't know, so we have to get the thing right, you know, because we have put out the thing in a brother, so we feel like we have put out something for people to love.
True.
I put out things for people to love, but not that. Anyway, in the world, and them have to even a dream about them things in them sleep.
Straight.
You see me?
So do your own us, you know, we do it proper your own us and send it in there, so, you know.
Yeah, man.
That's it. That's like I said, yeah. People come one time and I say, yo, what plate of, I want a chicken and a good for y'all of this. You see me?
So my time at 25-30 bag coming up.
See it.
Yeah, but that to keep it for a good while, you understand?
Okay.
Yeah, like, because some of the time we can't get chicken, so
Yeah.
we have to, the boss have to stack up chicken or we can have chicken for
Oh, so you have to make sure you don't have chicken
yeah,
put on.
Like
Yeah,
no one
I
day thing, you know.
understand.
No one day thing, you know.
That's why I tell us we
It's a
don't
business
want
we
this
pay,
and
we pay
that,
all
yeah.
away. So it have to go on every day
See.
for the survivor that go on for everybody. You see me I say? We can hitch up on the business, we say, well then, we're not going to do no business today.
Day before
I
yesterday
forget it
chicken.
done.
Day before yesterday chicken.
You know,
At the end of the time we want to pay it.
I think people not really, I have to say this still because I think people don't really see it. Me in the kitchen area, I realize you personally say, yo,
Yeah, man.
like chicken want to season up, you know.
Yeah, man.
And I suck come in up, come find around the party I deal with it because you see for yourself, say, yo, it need to be done now. And
Yeah,
no
man.
boss not have to tell you that.
No, man, I know my duty when I perform, when I come and work in the middle.
True
I
that.
know my duty, so me have it overnight, you know, say, yeah, that's what I'm going to get done in the morning for everything going. You know, see, because I come after this now, me have my beef and my stuff, then me have to get cut up.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
For the soup.
For the soup for tomorrow morning, so you don't know. But we have to get this out of the way. I see it later on in the night now. We attack them type of duty there, you see me I say?
I never see a jerk operation like that one. I hate it in my life. A whole heap of foul now move.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, we are some man, and you see the duty, brother. I mean, no easy still, you know, because you know, get
Open,
nothing
open.
Now get nothing
Open,
easy, you know, you just have to do it for your survival.
See, bunch of here, man.
See, you have to cut the wing that way.
Yeah, we have to deal with
That-
them stuff, you know.
That you can soak, because if you don't cut the wing that way,
Yeah.
when you chop it,
Bloody.
the man them chop it in there, so
Yeah.
them will come and complain to me, say, yo, that not happen the way there, you know, because you don't know, it will take a longer time to jerk to all, so, you know. And you have to cut it in the quarter where the breast equal just as the leg too. You understand what I say? So, and not just like cutting up chicken like or you would feel like say whole
It's just a
chicken.
quarter,
You
yeah?
understand? So you have to adjust yourself for the quarter then for
Yeah.
all quarter can try to be equal. Because you know we have customers to deal with too, so then we come and say, well, then this one little bit smaller or whatever too, so
When
you just have to
small-
do the thing
when
properly.
small,
That.
I can't
Yeah.
do nothing with that, you know?
So as I say, just have to get the thing done, brother. Send it on there, let them get it to deal with, you know? Our duty this.
When I just came in here, there was a pile of chicken and now the pile actually I moved down wickedly.
Yeah, man.
We don't want to feel look on it, brother.
That's how it
We gotta
is.
get it done, you know?
It's about up on the next side, that's what I said so. Check off a little yellow part on the foot them. Got it. Chew in the pan over there, so yeah?
That's how it is.
God.
Because we have to do them by the quarter now. After a while, we count me.
Count
Make
them out.
me deal with them guys and just like that, you know, we have other things like
Have a cup.
vinegar and all that stuff, you know.
Oh yeah, for
Juice,
Wash them
you can wash
Wash
it
them
off,
off,
get
yeah.
cut the rawness.
Yeah, cut the rawness,
Ah,
and then we
yeah.
pump them out and put them in this one.
Yeah.
And then apply the seasoning on it now. I never for seasoning, then put it in. It's the seasoning, you see it?
Wow. Guys, look at that rich seasoning. You know. See that? You don't know what is in that seasoning at all. You just know it is the goodness. That is it. So big up the boss, Colin, cause
Yeah, man.
trust me, the seasoning, no joke. No joke.
Thing off proper, you know? Yeah, the thing, you know, natural.
Some man are still there, so I roll dumpling same way. Festival still on roll.
All night, no?
Cha. Yo, never did a joke at all. Soup done and everything.
Things up. Still on for the next job, you know?
Yes, sir. I tell you something, I go there till night. We want to see what no go through, you know? Till. Oh no, chicken or flip.
Yeah, man. Right back to the 999.
So that means a girl will go call you know say he's a hard worker.
Yes. Yes.
In the kitchen and out.
Yeah.
Alright guys, today was one of them days there, to be honest. Like Taliban we come from morning until now, late nights, and them still around there Fry Festival. This is the most jerk chicken I've ever seen. It would have been chopped, cut up, seasoned up, whatever. A whole heap of chicken is going on back there. And when you're seeing food being cooked so much, you know say people out there want the food, and trust me, the food is amazingly good. It's late, so I'm gonna grab some festival because them bad, and then I go head home and then link up with another YouTube and probably go a little party thing. But I'll catch you guys on the next video, and I hope to catch you guys here at Piggy's in Portland, Jamaica. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.
Jamaican girl are the best. You are mine, Jamaican girl. 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 Come on, come on. Ah, boy. Oh, oh. Come on now, come on now. Ah, boy. I've been together for so long now.